What's up? Welcome everybody. This is Dan here over at DW Productions. If you guys are watching this video, you are taking a look at a product that is made by Hoverfly. I have next to me right here, this is the X3 model. This is a 36 volt electric scooter that comes with a massive 500 watt brushless motor with a long battery life of 7.8 amps. That's impressive. And then on top of that, what's nice about this particular unit, it gives you a one-step design for the easy folding access. If I can bring you guys in for a close look here. So with this lever right there, turn and look on the side, there is a locking clip, folds to the front once you lift that lever up, and we can drop this down for easy self-storage. That is absolutely awesome. It gives you the peace of mind that this thing is not going to come apart. And you're probably also noticing that this has a dual suspension shock. This makes it incredibly convenient when you're going over different kind of terrain, so that way you're not feeling the vibration and the impact on your arms and hands. And to top it off, you get a really, really nice disc brake setup that is on the back of this thing. Can you guys see that? That thing is incredibly beefy. Now, one thing that makes this particular scooter unique compared to the rest of them, it has a wide 4.5-inch screen display. And then on top of that, you'll also notice where these 3 digits are. This has a digital number code that you can use to lock this thing to prevent any kind of theft in a sense. I'm going to go ahead and hit the double there just to get exit through. So what we're going to notice right off the bat, you're going to see the letter M on there, and then you're also going to see the letter D. This has a 2-speed setting. Speed number 1 is going to get you up to 15.5 miles per hour. Speed number 2, which is the drive, so that gets you up to 20 miles per hour. This thing has a capacity of 264 pounds. So, in the event where if you're a big gentleman like myself at 6'5", this thing is going to be able to fit you and be able to work flawlessly with ease. So, again, it's an awesome product. What's also sweet about this particular item, you're going to notice where right here, that's a plus, you've got a minus. If you press that minus button, this is going to activate what is called the walk assist mode that has a capability of being able to drive itself at 6 kilometers per hour, which is the equivalent to 3.72 miles per hour. So if you press and hold that button, starts to walk. So that way, if you guys are walking down the path or something like that and you don't want to have to push this thing, this is going to conserve battery life while you hang your gear on there, whether you got a backpack, groceries, luggage, whatever the case is. Again, this thing is absolutely awesome. Now, last thing to mention and point out real quick, you guys see these 5-spoke wheels? That is a 10-inch anti-flat solid rubber tire. It is a honeycomb style design that's inside this tire to absorb impact to also provide you a better comfortable ride. Let's put this thing on the road. So guys, with a simple little kickoff, starting to push, hold the trigger down, and we are off and riding. Pretty sweet little display. This thing is pretty cool. I gotta tell you, you gotta get one for yourself because this thing is awesome. The other thing to mention about it too is that when you get this thing, when you hold that trigger down, it has an automatic speed control. So that way you can press and hold this, get it to set the miles per hour, 4 kilometers, whichever you prefer, and to be able to get this thing to pick up the speed or slow it down just by clicking that button off. You guys see that? Kind of hard to tell. But again, awesome product. Highly encourage to recommend it because this thing is amazing. Thank you guys all for watching. Right now, this product has a 20% off best deal in December. This deal is running until December 23rd. The discount rate of 20% is worth $90, dropping the $449.99 down to $359.99. You guys got to get it while this discount lasts.